Hey, if you want to become a successful entrepreneur that masters how to make money online directly and indirectly from over 40 plus passive sources wherever you live, build a cash-rich home-based business, marketing your product and services using the power of the internet, and live the lifestyle you've always wanted before you get another year older, this is exactly for you. A lot of people ask me every day, how can I create a profitable online business? How can I work from home and build a legitimate, independent legacy I can pass on to my kids? My answer is always simple. You need two things. Number one, products and/or a system, and two, quality, targeted traffic. The truth in this industry actually is that the majority of people who come to the internet to start a business and make money are being set up from the get-go to fail. They are told what they want to hear and not what they need to hear, the truth. To make it online, you must have a value-driven mindset approach to your business. This is because your mindset affects what you say and how you market to your potential customers. Essentially, don't approach a business simply as I'm going to recruit a bunch of people so I can make money by telling these people to join and then go and recruit a bunch of other people to join. This is wrong and is the main mental pitfall that sets most aspiring entrepreneurs for failure online. Make sure that you are selling excellent products and services to specific people that solve their specific problems. Provide massive value that helps people and you will always make a profit. You will build a brand that is trusted forever. See, people don't buy products, they buy you. They buy the vision or inspiration that helps them get to where they want to be in life. A lot of people will just go out there, choose a product, and start driving traffic without having any strategic plan. You first need to have a proper foundation for your business, and it needs to be solid enough to last a long time. So what is this foundation? It's building a massive quality list with whom you communicate, providing super value. This is a must-have asset that you need to be successful in business long-term. Hey, if you want to become great at what you do, following a step-by-step system that's changed thousands of people's lives, and you would like to have the lifestyle you've always dreamed of, then the Success Challenge is what you need to take. There are important questions you should ask that need a yes answer. Is it founded by a leader in our industry? Yes. Are there instructions and guidelines on how to professionally market your business? Yes. Is there regular communication from the owner to members? Yes. Is there a support department in the company? Yes. Will this generate recurring income from multiple sources? Yes. Will the company market to my prospects on my behalf? Yes. Do I get to keep the leads I generate for the company? Yes. Is there a social media site where members can gather and communicate with each other? Yes. Fact. Systems work. People fail. I am about to show you an automated system where you can make money from over 40 plus passive income streams online working from home. Nothing like this has been engineered before. I've looked all over for an easy button and never found one, and this sure ain't one either. But man, for the right person who is committed to their success, this is very cool. If you have an interest in origami, this formula is for you. If you have an interest in real estate, this formula is for you. If you have an interest in hypnosis, this formula is for you. If you have an interest in arts, this formula is for you. If you have an interest in anything, this formula is for you. Basically, it's all down to what type of life you are challenging yourself to create for you and your family, and how you want to dominate your competition. Get started today and create the good life you want for you and your family.